Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. These are black muscadine grapes. They also come in a green variety. These are a popular grape in the South. They make wines out of it, and jellies, stuff like that. Well, when we were kids, these grew pretty abundantly wild, and we knew where about every grapevine was. We'd just go eat off the vines. We also knew where the plum bushes, blackberries, red berries. We knew where all of them are. These were our snacks. We'd get together and say, hey, let's go eat some grapes or whatever. And there was even a pear tree, and I'm going to say that story for another time. But this is what we snacked on. And probably one of the reasons why I was just skinny as a rail coming up. But these things are good. And we used to have to climb the trees to get up to where some of the grapes were. And that didn't always work out so well. We didn't break nothing, but darn if we didn't bruise something. And I wanted to do 2 separate videos on grapes and blackberries because they're kind of funny. But anyway, I was just out here enjoying these, just thinking about old times and about a lot of my friends that are no longer here, that we'd find these grapevines and we just eat a grape buffet. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.